Decoding Hunger Signals, a comprehensive guide to understanding and managing your body's cues. Let's dive into the science of hunger signals and how to manage them effectively. 1. Deciphering hunger signals. What are they? When your stomach is empty, it releases a hormone called ghrelin, signaling hunger to your brain. But hunger isn't just about an empty stomach. It can also be influenced by the types of foods you eat. 2. Differentiating between physical and emotional hunger. Physical hunger comes on gradually and can be satisfied with any food, while emotional hunger is sudden and often associated with specific cravings. 3. How to respond to your body's hunger cues. Recognize the signs of physical hunger, listen to your body's needs, and savor your food mindfully. Address emotional hunger by acknowledging your feelings and finding healthy ways to cope. 4. Techniques to manage hunger. Signals effectively. Plan your meals, choose healthy snacks, incorporate regular exercise, practice mindful eating, and regularly check in with yourself. 5. Role of hydration in hunger management. Stay hydrated to differentiate between hunger and thirst signals, and choose hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables. 6. Impact of sleep on hunger and fullness cues. Ensure quality sleep to regulate hunger hormones and establish regular sleep patterns to manage hunger signals effectively. Understanding and managing hunger signals is key to maintaining a healthy relationship with food and your body. Remember to listen to your body's cues and respond in a way that supports your overall health and well-being.